your goddamn DMs.
Real
I'll be seeing this
FBM
shit
though.
too,
Real
nigga.
FBM
I
though.
seen your ass.
Real
I'm coming
FBM.
for you.
What's up, y'all? It's Kate and welcome back to my channel. I'm with my mom in the car right now. Today is September 27th. It's a Thursday. It's gonna be the first day that I'm back to school. And I just decided to vlog for my first day back. I do have on glasses right now. No, I don't regularly wear my glasses, but I took my permit test, and I'm gonna just blab really quickly, but I'm trying to get my license because I'm commuting for fall quarter because I wanted to get a car, and my dad basically played me and convinced me to commute, which was a terrible idea. Yeah, so I'm in the process of getting my license, and I just got my permit, but I had to go back home and get my glasses because I failed the vision test. So yeah, I got my permit, and I'm gonna show y'all my ugly picture. This is so ugly, y'all. Oh no. So yeah, I literally sat in the DMV today and waited like 2 hours. I have class at 3, right now it's 1, so I have a lot of time, honestly. But I'm kind of mad because I really had to go back home and come all the way back just to pass my vision test, because apparently I didn't even know that you had to take a vision test for your permit. I'm so upset because my picture came out so ugly, and I woke up early this morning. I wanted my picture to be cute, so I did my eyebrows.
DMV pictures are never cute.
My ID picture was cute.
Who cares about cuteness if you're ugly on the inside?
I'm cute on the inside and the outside.
You all right?
Tell them.
You all right? You better be cute October the 16th.
That's her birthday. Now we're just gonna go to Chick. Oh, I have to get. You should have told me. I would have brought my backpack and stuff.
You want to stop and get your backpack?
Yeah. I'm on my way home, and then my mom's gonna take me to school because she's the nice lady today.
I'm nice every day.
And then.
Did you give me any money on this $27.95 a month?
That's
nice.
I paid the gas once.
$50.
Twice.
$70 all together. Come on. Did you pay this DWP bill today? That was $300. But you got boxes coming and coming. I better have a nice birthday gift. A great mom that get up and go to work. You're not a kid anymore. You grown. I don't need to be doing this. Yeah, put the camera on me because they're gonna be like, she's right.
Think outside the box. Gotta keep my debit cause I'm swiping like a fox. You with your new girl cause she never on your top. She show up on the set and she keep quiet like a prop.
So I'm almost to school. It's literally 2:16 right now. About to get some Chick-fil-A with my mom before I go to class. If you're watching this video and you're in college, you're thinking about going to college, do not commute. Unless you live like 10 minutes away from your school. But if you live like any more than 15 minutes away from your school, do not commute. Like, just stay on campus, get an off-campus apartment, do something, but do not, like, even if you have a car, don't do it to yourself. You're gonna have to pay for parking, all that stuff. So just came from Chick-fil-A, got me a strawberry milkshake, and I got a spicy chicken sandwich with some fries. This is honestly my favorite combo from here, and my mom got the same thing. She just got a lemonade. She didn't get a beautiful milkshake. Really? Well, I mean, I was waiting for a while for this milkshake. So I'm just walking right now. For some reason, like, everything is blocked off right here, so my mom couldn't even drop me off. And I'm trying to multitask and eat my Chick-fil-A and vlog and walk to class at the same time, but it's really hard. I'm literally just walking to class right now, even though my class is not for like another 30 minutes. I'm just gonna like eat my food outside. I have my milkshake here in my bag with my spicy chicken. I honestly didn't really like prepare today. Like, I didn't go school supply shopping. I brought my laptop and a notebook and some pens and stuff. Like, I already have like supplies, but like not that much. I have like a discussion for this like 1:30 class. I really don't have any idea what this class is about. Like, I totally haven't looked at my schedule, but this quarter I'm taking a film class, and I'm also taking a psych class, and I'm taking a psychiatry class.
Never try to be something you're not. That's what my granny told me when I was a tater tot. I'm finna follow through on everything I plot. think, baby, I'm the coolest thing that's coming out of Little Rock. Self-aware but still flossy, spilling sauce on the sauce. Trying to keep.
It's the beginning of my 3rd year and I just feel regular. But yeah, I'm literally just on my way to class and my fucking Polynesian sauce keeps fucking dripping everywhere. Yeah, my nail's broken. We gonna fix that today. Yep. Imagine this class is not even in because it's discussion, but there's no way that we should have discussion and like we haven't had lecture yet. I'm looking for my class right now. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna find it really soon. Actually, I think it's right here. Yep, it is. Okay. So it is 3:12 and basically my class is a liar. I had discussion, but I knew like, I just knew. Y'all heard me say it in the vlog. I had discussion, but discussion is like a little segment of a class. It's not like lecture, because at public universities, you're in a class with like 200 plus people in lecture, so then they have like smaller discussions just to have a more face-to-face conversation and stuff. It's just like, it just makes classes a little bit easier because it's like harder to learn with bigger groups. I knew this was gonna happen. Like I knew the TA or whatever wasn't gonna show up because it's week 0 and we didn't have lecture yet, so we don't have nothing to talk about in discussion. I still have a class at 4, so I have like 45 minutes to just do whatever.
Will I make a million being myself? Ain't no telling. But fuck how they market if ain't no soul in what they selling. Still do it for the ones that's cool.
Right now it's 3:53. I just came to visit my coworkers. This is them.
Hey.
The best PCs out. What?
Go. So yeah, we're here in AAP.
What's our job?
We are peer counselors. Well,
Academic counseling. We make sure that people of color, Black, Indigenous people of color, make it out this institution and thrive.
Period. Period. Yeah, I'm about to run because literally my class is at 4. So see you guys later. My class was, since I didn't have class for like an hour, I just stopped over there. But my job is like really, it's not that it's lax, but like it's not like most jobs, but it's a really cool job and I'm really happy I got it. Look, it was so much work like trying to get it, which is why I haven't really been posting that much. Like if y'all noticed, I stopped posting a lot because I was like doing training and getting ready for work and school, and now things are just gonna go a lot more smoother starting next week, especially once I get my license. So here's where my class is. This is one of like the prettiest buildings in my opinion, and this class is 2 hours long, y'all.
Okay, we'll wait.
I have to run to class. I went to the wrong fucking class, like a fucking idiot. I literally went to the wrong fucking lecture hall, and now I'm 2 minutes late. I went to Dodd thinking that I was going to Royce, and I was up in there searching like, where's the class, where's the class? I could not find 150. I even went and asked somebody, I'm like, where's Royce 150? He pulled out the map, showed me a whole nother lecture hall. Clearly I've been gone from UCLA for too long. So I'm an idiot, but I'm going to the right lecture hall now. So it is 5:13 and I just got out of class. Our professor let us out early. So I really do have some things to say about this class. For when we was watching this weird ass video, and I'm like one of the only black girls in there. It's literally only me and one other black girl. And when I walk into classes, I'll just be the only black girl. I just feel like, oh man. Not saying that I like don't like it or like don't feel comfortable. Sometimes it's just like, you know, annoying. You know, you get used to it when you go to a PWI. If you don't know what that means, it's a primarily white institution, which is UCLA. Even though UCLA is really like primarily Asian, I still feel like confident, and the fact that there's like not a lot of black students doesn't really make me feel insecure. Like I used to, but I got over it because you have to when you go to a school like UCLA. Not sure what these people are doing, but it looks like some type of exercise. It looks pretty cool. So I'm in the Uber and I'm on my way to the nail shop. I should probably be there in like an hour. I don't think I'm gonna record in there just because it's like really small, but yeah, it's like 8 miles away, like 30 minutes. Okay guys, so it's really dark, but right now it is 7:37 and I just left the nail shop. I'm on my way home. My day is honestly basically over, but my friend is supposed to come to my house so we can go and eat. Not sure if that's set in stone, but yeah, I'm probably gonna get back home in like an hour, so it's pretty late. But my nails are done. Oh, this is the left hand and this is the right hand. Y'all really can't see, but it's two different shades. I'm back home. Right now it's 8:45 and I got some gummies. Right, okay, I'm gonna show y'all. So I'll be taking this tonight. I got one for Jordan. Y'all know Jordan. It's her birthday tomorrow. We're celebrating and this was one of her gifts. And then I got one for myself. Last time I took some of this, your girl was dead. So I'm gonna be taking this tonight, waiting for Makayla to come. And right now I'm just about to edit some videos and chill, so yeah. Reporting live at 10:15 p.m.
I'm trying to put in my hoops.
With this bitch.
So I'm trying to put in my hoops so that I could be cute like Peyton. Looking like shoe money. Does it say money or does it say money? Does it say more money or does it say money?
Let me put my debit card.
When you're out with the celebrity.
What were you saying, Pam?
When you're out with the celebrity. I'm so angry at myself because yesterday I forgot to finish my vlog because those gummies hit me a little bit too hard and your girl was out of it. Today is Friday, so I decided just to make this a 2-day vlog since I forgot to end my vlog yesterday because I'm about to go turn up at a UCLA party, and of course this can be a part of my college vlog because it's college life, you know? It's college life, you know? But anyway, right now it's 8:47. Yeah, this vlog is starting off late today because I really didn't do anything today. I woke up really late because I was so tired, and then after that edited and uploaded some videos, and then I just started like getting ready, doing my hair and stuff. Let me just stop talking so much and tell y'all the plan. There's a party tonight. It's a UCLA party for someone named Marcelo. I do know this person. He's really cool, but it's also Jordan's birthday today. We're celebrating because it's lit, of course. This is confusing. Oh, what the heck? She opened. Hey. Oh look, they have this happy birthday Jordan here with the lights. You know, the little living room. There's Alex. Hey. Hey. Oh my gosh, look at their freaking room. They make me love missing my dorm. They got a little TV, a rug.
Are you vlogging?
Yep. It's her birthday.
My birthday. Hey to the vlog.
Hey, what's up, in vlog?
It's only Jordan, Trent, Alex, Sydney, and Shivy.
That's correct.
And this bitch. If you ain't here, it's just your life.
I felt that. I felt that.
Why would I go to this party?
Okay, out of 10, how would you think this party's gonna be?
Probably like
Thank you.
8 and then get shut down.
This is not the first party of the year. Where you been?
Oh shit.
Okay, Jordan's
Yeah.
not out, y'all.
Let's go.
We're not paying in cash, Sydney.
Wait, I'm gonna leave this here.
I am, because I don't want to Venmo if I have $4. I want to use one.
Alright, let's do this.
Attention viewers, when you go to a black party, you need to dress in as least clothing as possible because it's gonna be hot as fuck.
Guys, it's cold. And we're
It's
wearing
not cold.
sunglasses. It's like
We're wearing sunglasses
5
because the
degrees.
cool people wear sunglasses when it's cold and dark. If your birthday is a Libra, then you're Team Jordan. If you're a Virgo, then you're Team Sydney.
Either way, you're born in September, so you're a bad bitch.
Are we really out here?
I don't know. You're really out here. I'm gonna just say it's gonna get real blurry when we're in the party. Like,
Honestly, yeah, the camera might fog
so
up.
foggy.
It's gonna be a lot of problems. We got in and out.
It's that FBM shit. We out here in the late night, you feel me? It's approximately, oh wait, 12:30, 12:29. Got money, you feel me? We out here park lot pimping. I mean, we faithful though, so it ain't really too much park lot pimping going on, but you know. We out here being FBM, faithful black. Shout out FBM.
Shout out. Are you FBM too? I love you, babe. Shout out to Simone, follow her at Blazing Girl.
Oh,
alright.
Is that his girlfriend?
Hey. You be in her goddamn DMs,
Real
I be seeing this
FBM
shit
though,
too,
real
nigga.
FBM
I
though.
seen your ass.
Real
I'm
FBM.
coming for you, nigga. Nah. Shout out to the water game. That's not, she's Sprite. Hey. Ooh, I couldn't. That's why
Water
I was bubbly.
gang.
I don't like cameras like that. Alright, let me show you. How y'all doing? It's your vlog? What's your vlog called?
Vlog.
Huh?
It's just called vlog.
How y'all doing?
So it is 1:24 a.m. I just got back to my room. Honestly, this night, I'm not gonna say it was a fail, but that party was a flop. I had fun, like, regardless, because I was with my friends and stuff, but that party wasn't it. But we just got in and out, and now I'm back, and that was it for this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.